Welcome. This video will guide you through setting the date and time on your Opel Astra H GTC's onboard computer, 2004 to 2014 models. This is important for accurate trip data and vehicle diagnostics. We'll cover the manual method and discuss newer tech-driven options. Let's get started. First, turn on your car's ignition. Locate the BC button on your center console. Press it to navigate to the Settings menu. Use the directional arrows on your steering wheel or dashboard to find Settings or Clock. Press OK to enter the Clock Calendar Adjustment screen. This process uses the car's central ECU linked to the instrument cluster. Once in the Clock menu, you'll see options to adjust the hours and minutes. Use the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the values. For hours, press the plus button to increase or minus to decrease. For minutes, do the same with the plus and minus buttons. Confirm each setting by pressing OK. Remember, this is a manual process. The system doesn't automatically sync with external time sources unless you have aftermarket modifications. Similarly, navigate to the Date option in the Settings menu. You'll likely see the date format as DDMMYYY. Use the plus and NADS buttons to adjust the day, month, and year. The system usually auto-adjusts for leap years. Press OK to confirm each setting. If your clock resets frequently, it's likely due to a weak or failing car battery. The Opel Astra H GTC relies on a stable power supply to maintain its clock settings. A weak battery cannot provide the consistent voltage needed to preserve memory in the onboard computer, causing the time to reset when the vehicle is turned off. Consider replacing your battery, especially if it's several years old. Regular testing can help identify when replacement is needed. A healthy battery is crucial for accurate timekeeping and overall vehicle reliability. While the Astra H GTC doesn't natively support GPS time syncing, aftermarket solutions exist. OBD2 adapters paired with smartphone apps like Torque Pro can sometimes access and adjust the clock via the ECU. Some owners have also installed Android head units that sync time via NTP servers, offering a more modern solution. Be aware that these options are not officially supported by Opel Vauxhall. Online forums like Reddit and Opel Owners Club are full of user-developed hacks. Some users report success using OBD2 scanners like ELM327 and Android software to remotely adjust the clock, avoiding manual navigation. However, compatibility can vary depending on your car's specific ECU version. Always proceed with caution when trying DIY solutions. Looking ahead, automotive technology is evolving rapidly, and the Opel Astra H GTC's onboard computer is no exception. Trends are shifting from manual adjustments to digital integrations that make time and date management more convenient. Hybrid retrofit kits are becoming popular, enabling Bluetooth connectivity between the vehicle's onboard computer and smartphones. This allows automatic syncing of time and date settings, eliminating the need for manual navigation through menus. As electric vehicle conversions for classic Opels increase, we can expect IoT connectivity to become standard. This would enable over-the-air updates to the onboard computer system, allowing remote adjustments to time settings and firmware improvements without visiting a workshop. For now, without native manufacturer support for these advanced features, owners of Opel Astra H GTC vehicles continue to rely on manual adjustments through the onboard computer interface or aftermarket adapters for any digital integrations. These emerging trends promise to make maintaining accurate time and date settings in classic Opels much more convenient in the coming years. Thanks for watching.